Up next, Winsoft International. You'll take your place on the stage. Just as a reminder again to the audience, you should be choosing 1 through 10, a score for every presentation during the 60 seconds. All right, here you go, 60 seconds, and it begins right now.
Hello, everyone. Here is Page+X5, the new desktop publishing software. So all the features are detailed on our website. So I'm going to focus on 3 main points. The first point is, on this product, you have a full graphic compatibility with PDF. And even the most expensive product, publishing product in the market is, well, sorry. Let's go on the second point, sorry. Second point, so this is a really intuitive and very easy to use product. So it is so easy to use that even novice can create professional quality results. This product, Page+X5, is available in 7 European languages, in Polish, Czech, Russian, Dutch, Swedish, Italian, and Spanish, and also enabled for complex languages like Arabian Hebrew and Indian languages. We offer a high level for our channel. The price is below €100, and we already have with Serif 200 international awards. Thank you.
Thank you.